Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Caspa, so let's get right into it. Appreciate each and every one of you guys from the Caspa community for showing tremendous amount of love. Continue supporting, and you will continue to see these, day-to-day updates regarding Caspa. So looking at the overall market, I'm sure you guys are probably super confused at this point. Like, what is going on? Can this market really make up its mind? All I can tell you guys is welcome to the crypto space. This is what crypto space is all about. You will see times where, things just don't make sense. Because what we saw was July 5th, we saw a massive pullback. July 6th, the market went back up. A lot of gains across the board were made for some coins. And then once again, you saw a fake out. And yet again, as we are starting off a brand new week, you're seeing the overall market, reacting in a positive way. So we'll definitely take that, but let's still be cautious because I still think we're not out of the woods just yet. So looking at the Caspa's market cap, Caspa's performance, it's up 7.4% on the daily time frame. So a massive thumbs up for that. Well, let's take a closer look and see what we're looking at as far as its price is concerned. But before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So looking at the price, 17.1 cents, we'll definitely take that pretty much back to where it was, prior to these massive pullbacks. If you're looking at it in BTC comparative, it's up 3.6%. And again, great stuff. Market cap back above $4 billion to be exact, $4.1 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at 65 million. Beautiful stuff. But let's take it a step further and really take a look at what's happening with the price. So what you're noticing is, obviously, if you do watch my other updates, you guys know exactly what's happening. So you could skip this part, but if you only watch the Caspa updates, you can notice Bitcoin dominance went down compared to yesterday, and Bitcoin price went up. What is this telling us? This is telling us money is flowing back from BTC into the altcoins, and easiest way to get that confirmation is just look at how majority of these altcoins are performing against Bitcoin. Most of them are outpacing BTC. Speaks for itself, gives us that confirmation that, things do make sense. But as I've said to you guys before, we're still nowhere near the 23.6 fib zone. We're retesting some key resistance. Obviously dates back to in the previous cycle as well. A lot of resistance around here. But once we get back into the 23.6 fib zone, even then we're not out of the woods. We do need to reclaim 60K and obviously give us that confirmation once we retest $64,000 price point, and then we can start having further conversations. But as of now, these are specific targets we need to be reaching first before we get super excited. But now if we're looking at Caspa, so what is Caspa doing as far as price is concerned? So this time around, I'm very impressed. So obviously we did nowhere near go to the 14.7 cents retest. We got supported by the so we never went into the 78.6. We got supported by the 61.8 at 15.5 cents. And once again, we're retesting the, resistance around the 17.1 cents, before we enter into the 38.2 fib zone. So let's actually switch our focus to the hourly time frame to really understand what's going on. So if you're zooming in here, this is what I want you guys to take a look at. I'm sure you guys are noticing a pattern right now. Just based off of looking at only the hourly time frame, you're noticing higher high and higher lows occurring within the price. So higher high, higher low. We're in an upwards trajectory for Caspa without a doubt. So Caspa is in an upwards trajectory despite sharp pullbacks. Obviously, we have seen major announcements coming out in favor of Caspa. Obviously, that is creating a lot of hype. As we can obviously price those in. And easiest way to kind of take a look at it is the way Caspa is actually holding, against the overall market. So I'm really liking what I'm seeing, but you do need to see the price of Caspa getting back above this, resistance at 17.15 cents, which I think it will be able to do. So if Bitcoin sees even a little bit of a push, I think we could be back up to the 17.5 cents and actually potentially break out and start even retesting 18 cents, which I have spoken to you guys out about before. So really liking what I'm seeing right now. But with that being said, it's extremely important to understand how this market is acting, and obviously pay very close attention to BTC, because like I said, even though things might look great right now, let's not get super excited. And this is what I try to teach you guys on our updates. You want to look at some confirmations, and then you could really have those conversations whether or not you're going to see more upside. But as of now, Bitcoin is still in the danger zone, believe it or not. Bitcoin is not in the safe zone by any means. So let's take it one step at a time. Loving what I'm seeing. Caspa is doing exactly what I have told you guys Caspa would do, in my personal opinion. I have said Caspa will bounce back up quicker than majority of these other coins, and it's doing that as of now. But one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.